Hello everybody, so let's start our analysis. So thanks for joining. For everyone who joined live, this video will be recorded also, so you guys can watch it later too. So let's just start our analysis. This is Kothari Products Limited, and this company is picked by Global Business Newsletter, a really good premium newsletter. If you guys want to know more, please stay. I will be sharing ahead. All right. So let's just check out what the Global Business Newsletter is talking about this particular company. So the company is Kothari Products Limited, is diversified company profile engaged in manufacturing and trading of textile machinery, spare parts, industrial chemicals, and engineering products. It is also interested in real estate and information technology. From the point of view of financial analysis, the revenue of the company has been fluctuating. The profitability has been reporting losses over the past few years. Debt is moderate debt level. Interest cover ratio is low, suggesting potential debt servicing issues. Cash flow of the company is not very good. The operating cash flow is in the negative. Difficulty in generating cash from its core business activities. Key risk is market volatility, competitive pressure, and regulatory risk. The market volatility, as it's in the cyclical industry, it is vulnerable to the economic downturn and fluctuations in the commodity prices. Investable score is only 2. Their analysis suggests that it has consistent losses and negative cash flow, high debt burden. They do not recommend to take any kind of investment interest in this company. They do not recommend any kind of interest here. It's a high risk investment in their opinion. So let's just check out what they're talking about in management quality and market sentiment. Of course, these two are additional consideration. Let's talk about the disclaimer too. The research report is only for informational purposes and it should not be considered an investment advice. And they're already not suggesting to invest in this company. So let's just check out the books for ourselves. What is going on in the financial statements of this company. All right. So from the quarterly results, as we can see, 120 crore, huge loss here. Before that, they have 5 crore profit. Before that, they have 11 crore profit. But the September 2024, they have 120 crore negative. From the yearly P&L statement, 32 crore overall positive, then 5 crore profits, then 15 crore positive profit, then 56 crore negative, 35 crore. And as we can see, the dividend payout has stopped from 2022. So that's interesting. Let's just see what else is going on here. Cash flow statement, overall cash flow is in the negative, minus 1 crore. The highest positive cash flow is in operating activity, 162 crore. The highest negative cash flow is in the financing activity, 198 crores. Shareholding pattern, 74.97%. Promoter holding, FII has no holding. Public holding is 25.02%. The holding of the promoters had decreased by a little bit. The promoters holding has been decreased by 0.02% from 74.99 to 74.97%. So let's just go to the chart now. From the perspective of the chart, it's the weekly time frame. As we can see, this is a very volatile chart. As we can see, it takes years for them to reach at a certain high, at the all-time high. Then when they fell, it took them years to recover, and now they are trying one more time. Right now, from the finances perspective, the company is not doing very well, so I will be highly cautious, and the Global Business Newsletter also do not recommend. So as they doesn't recommend any kind of investment, I am also very cautious. Now, from the perspective of the chart, after 273 only, I will be considering any kind of investment. I will be looking for any kind of investment opportunity if the finances of the company changes. After 273 only, I will be taking any kind of consideration, and my stop loss will be also 271 or 272. I will not be taking a whole lot of risk here. The position sizing, as I always say, please take care of your position sizing and stop loss. That's all there is to it. And as we have seen, Global Business Newsletter does not recommend to invest in this company. So I don't know if I will be interested in the near future too, because I trust them. So that's all there is to it. And because I have picked this article from this premium newsletter, I highly recommend, and I'll be sharing the procedure to subscribe to them. Please stay and watch that. If your pocket allows, please go and subscribe to this newsletter. It's really good. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. And the people who have joined live, thanks for taking your time out of the day to watch this video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to their newsletter. This is Global Business Newsletter. Once you go into their website, you have to just click on subscribe. This page will open. Then you have to enter your username, email ID, first name, last name, and then create a password and then repeat the same password, and then you have to select a package. So the packages are 8800 for 5 years. Once you pay 8800, you don't have to pay a penny in 5 years. So this will be active for 5 years in 8800. And then there is 4500 for 3 years. So if you pay 4500, you don't have to pay anything for next 3 years. No, and then there is 2200 that you have, once you pay for it, it will be active for 1 year. All right. I have Research Pro. This is one of the best quant newsletters in India. I genuinely believe that they are doing amazing research. I have the Research Pro subscription, and they do a lot of work in quant and research and machine learning and stuff. And so basically emotionless trading and stuff. And as you may know, majority of the trades that you see, the winning trades, the profitable trades, are done by machines. They are not done by humans. To learn these things, you can go and subscribe to their newsletter. This is really one of the best quant newsletters in the world, and most definitely in India. So that's all there is to it. As they have a lot of company research, the valuation, as you can see here, the topics. So the production chain and value chain articles, the quant trading, valuation, company analysis, research, really good stuff. They also have really good e-commerce and stuff, and they do their own research in the e-commerce sector also, whatever new things are going on in the industry. All right, so the predictions, opinions, and other, these articles, production chain and value chain, quant, valuation, company analysis, and research, these 5 sections are one of my favorite sections, some of my favorite sections to read. And one of my favorite section is definitely quant trading. This is really good. All right, so that's all there is to it. I highly recommend you all to subscribe to their newsletter. I always use their articles to explain really good concepts. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.